If you want to change the language in Free Fire on your Android phone, here is exactly how to do it. First of all, open Free Fire on your device and wait until you are on the main lobby screen. Next, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open Settings. Once you are inside Settings, go to the Account and Basic tab from the menu on the left side. Now look for the language option, tap on it, and you will see a drop-down list of available languages. Select your preferred language from the list and confirm the change. After that, the game will ask you to restart. Go ahead and restart the app so the new language can be applied properly. And that's it. That's how you change the language in Free Fire on Android. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.